Bonjour, everyone! Welcome back to EzeeFrench, where we make learning French super easy and fun. I'm your host, and today we're talking about family members and how to describe people. This is perfect for beginners. No complicated stuff, just simple words and phrases. We'll mix English and French so you can follow along easily. Repeat after me, and by the end, you'll be describing your own family in French. First, let's start with family members. In French, family is la famille, pronounced la famille. Say it with me, la famille. Okay, the basics. Father, le père, pronounced le père. That's dad. Mother, la mère, pronounced la mère. Mom. Brother, le frère, pronounced le frère. Sister, la sœur, pronounced la sœur. Son, le fils, pronounced le fils. Daughter, la fille, pronounced la fille. Husband, le mari, pronounced le mari. Wife, la femme, pronounced la femme. Careful, femme also means woman in general. Grandfather, le grand-père, pronounced le grand-père. Grandmother, la grand-mère, pronounced la grand-mère. Got that? Let's practice a sentence. My family in French is ma famille, pronounced ma famille. Say, ma famille est grande. That means my family is big. Okay, now what if you want to talk about your family? Here's a simple phrase. J'ai un frère. That means I have a brother. Pronounced j'ai un frère. Or j'ai une sœur. Pronounced j'ai une sœur. Notice un for masculine like frère and une for feminine like sœur. Easy, right? All right, let's move to describing people. Describing means saying what someone looks like or what they're like. In French, adjectives, describing words, change based on if the person is masculine or feminine. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. First, some key adjectives. Tall. Grand for a man, pronounced grand, or grande for a woman, pronounced grande. Short, petit, pronounced petit, or petite, pronounced petite. Beautiful or handsome, beau for men, pronounced beau, belle for women, pronounced belle. Nice or kind, gentil, pronounced gentille, or gentille, pronounced gentille. Funny, drôle, pronounced drôle. Same for both. Young, jeune, pronounced jeune. Same for both. Old, vieux for men, pronounced vieux. Vieille for women, pronounced vieille. See, most end with an E for feminine. Practice. My brother is tall. In French, mon frère est grand, pronounced mon frère est grand. Let's practice. Let's describe a family together. Imagine this picture. There's a dad, mom, brother, and sister. Le père est grand et gentil. The father is tall and kind. Pronounced le père est grand et gentil. La mère est belle et drôle. The mother is beautiful and funny. Pronounced la mère est belle et drôle. Mon frère est jeune. My brother is young. Ma sœur est petite. My sister is short. Your turn. Pause and describe someone in your family using these words. Say it out loud. Speak it out loud. Now, let's put it together in a mini dialogue. This is how you might talk about family in real life. Person 1. Bonjour. Comment va ta famille? Hello, how's your family? Pronounced bonjour, comment va ta famille? Person 2. Très bien, j'ai un frère et une sœur. Mon frère est grand et drôle. Ma sœur est gentille. Very good. I have a brother and a sister. My brother is tall and funny. My sister is kind. Et toi? And you? Person 1. J'ai une grande famille. Mon père est vieux mais gentil. I have a big family. My father is old but kind. See how easy? We mixed in which means and mais, which means but. That's it for today on Easy French. You now know family members and how to describe people. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try describing your friends or family in French every day. If you liked this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Easy French lessons.